Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin with a square sheet and a calm surface. Align edges and trim if necessary. First, fold the paper in half to create a clean center crease, then open it back out. Next, fold one corner to the opposite corner to form a diagonal crease. Press firmly to make it sharp. Once done, unfold and check your lines. Accurate creases reduce wobble. These first folds set geometry, so take a breath and focus on precision before moving forward. Now you shape the dart body. Fold two adjacent corners into the center line to make a long kite form. Keep both sides equal. Once you have that shape, fold the kite in half along the center crease so the edges meet. This creates the dart's spine. Pinch along the length and press each crease so the body is stiff. Then tuck any loose flaps inside the layers to lock seams. This reduces drag and keeps the plane balanced for a straighter glide. Finish by shaping the nose. Fold a small tip back about 1 cm to stiffen the point. This helps penetration through air. Next, create a slight dihedral in the wings. Bend each wing up a hair at the root so the plane self-corrects. Test throw gently. If it veers or dives too quickly, bend the tail up slightly or add 1 to 2 g of weight near the rear. If it loops, reduce nose weight. Once adjusted, throw progressively harder to find the best trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.